Good morning to all of you. My name is Oshi Jain. Today's Viva topic is metadata management. Metadata management is a common data models in CDM, defining, organizing, and managing the data, definition and standards that enable consistency and accurate data uses across an organizations. Here are some key points. First is definitions and purpose. Definitions metadata is about data. It's describe the structure, operations, and attributes of data elements, providing contents and meaning. Then common data module in CDM. A CDM is a standardized and structured representations of data that enables data interpretability and consistency across different systems and applications. Then second is components of metadata. First is descriptive metadata provides information about the contents, examples, data elements, name and descriptions. Then structural metadata details the organizations and structure of data, example, data types, relationships, any hierarchy. Administrative of metadata informations about data management, example, data linkage, data quality, governance policies. Then third is benefits of metadata management in CDMs. Data consistency ensure uniformity and standardizations across different data sources and systems. Then data quality improve data accuracy, completeness and reliability through clear definitions and standards. Then data governance enhance data control and compliance with regulatory and organizational policies. Then data discoverability makes it easier to find and understand data across the organizations. Then process involve data catalyzing, in that creating an inventory of data assets and their metadata. Mapping defining how data from various sources maps to the CDMs. Then data linkage tracking the origins, movements and transformations of data over times. Then data stewardship assigning responsibilities for managing and maintaining metadata tools and technologies. Metadata retrospective centralized systems for storing and managing metadata. Then data integrations tools solution that facilitates data mapping, transformations and movements. Then data governance platforms tools that support policy management, compliance and data stewardship. That next challenges and best practices. In that first, data silos breaking down data silos to ensure comprehensive metadata coverage. Then stakeholder engagements involving all relevant stakeholders to ensure metadata accuracy and relevance. Then continuous improvements regularly updating and refining metadata to reflect changes in data and business process. By effectively managing metadata with a CDM, organizations can achieve better data interoperability, governance and value extraction from their data sets. Here are some depth look at metadata management within a common data module in CDMs. Then key elements of metadata management in CDMs. First is data dictionary. In that definitions is a centralized repository of definitions for all data elements within the CDMs. Components, data elements, name, types, format constraints and descriptions. Uses ensure consistency uses and understanding of data accuracy the organizations. Then data module in that high level of representations of business concept and relationship, in that logical models, detailed representations of data elements and a relationship without concern for physical implementations. Thank you.